Hello everyone and welcome to our video series. So in the last two videos what we have seen is like how you can create this demo website on your new WordPress installation with the help of BuddyX Pro Theme Demo Importer plugin, and we have gone through all the features you get with the BuddyPress plugin, this activity stream, membership or groups, and how BuddyX Pro Theme is suitable for that to provide a professional layout here. So next up, what we are going to look at the customizer option theme is offering. So let's start with the customizer here. First of all, this is site identity part where you set up your logo and your site title, tagline, and site icon and the dark mode logo. This is the important part. Like if you are going to switch the dark mode light mode, make sure to upload your dark mode logo here. And under general setting there is option for the site layout, the content width, area, and the default button and forms radius there. Next up is the site loader option. If you want to show a loading message there with a color, you can enable this option. On each page load it will load. And this is the page mapping option, which shows the mapping of the login page, registration page, and 404 page. We will come back to this after later, like after setting up all these pages there. And this is also the sign in and pop-up option there. And let's start with that only. Like if you want your register or sign in pop-up option in a pop-up form, not as a complete page, you can enable this option. And on the pop-up you will find the login form there. And if you want form to display both the login and registration on the same tab, you can keep it both and leave a form description there. Let me show you this one. Like after selecting sign in pop-up, how this pop-up sign in form will look like. Let's quickly log out to the site and just log in here. Here you will see the options. You have the login and the registration form there in a different tab. During our uh, profile menu options, where I want to show you which are the profile field you can set up. So in the registration we moved some of the fields here. That's why you can see this registration field are driven by all the profile fields there. Like all these fields which people enter during registration, they will see under their profile after the registration. So this was a pop-up login registration form. It has some of the variations. Let's look back to that. Mm, So one of the options was to have this login form with both of these options, and later you can choose after registration on which page they will redirect, like after filling the login form or after filling the registration form, on which page they will land there. And next with the scroll up top option, this is like in the activity stream. When someone scroll down to very below, they can simply click on the button and they will move up to the top of the page. Let me show you how you can set up your own login and register page first of all. So basically there is one option which need to be checked before starting these. One option inside a WordPress website is under the setting option there, where you have to make sure that anyone can register is enabled so that your registration form will work. Once you enable this option under the setting, then only you will find under the BuddyPress these two URLs. They will automatically generate there. One is the registration page and another one is the after activation page. So for the registration page, all the form fields I already told you, you can get from the profile menu. There are the profile fields there, and the sign up field are the registration form field. So all the field you will set up here will come up in the registration page there. Like you can move some of these field from here. You can say let include the date one also in the sign up, so that will also include it in the sign up form. So that's how you manage the registration page fields. And now we have enabled, like the necessity to enable an income register is very important. And now you can see how you can design the login and registration page with the help of our theme feature. This is a WP login option. So enable the custom login first of all. Next step is the logo. You want to set up the logo there and all the styling option of this form. And next step is the theme, which theme you want to choose. You can see like there are 4 theme options there. You can choose this one that will go this layout there. The best thing is the latest update provide this preview option inside how your form is going to look like. Next up is the background color scheme. You can choose any color or you can upload your own image also. And this is a enable form transparency. You can enable this one and make sure all the options there are according to that, like styling this form field as per your need. This is a customized forget form. Basically this will show you like optimizing this one. Let me show you there. Like make it black. This will provide a form when someone hit the forget password button, then this page will show up, and this is the customization for that, like a styling option for that, a simple logo and the field for the reset form password button there. This is the overall button customization option there. You can see the button color right now is white. You can make it okay. And next step is the registration form, where you can use the toggle view or not, which will split the view for registration page. If you enable that, then you can use this image, leave a message. All the field in the registration form are driven by the profile field I shared with you there. So let's look how these two forms look like actually. One more thing, like whether you can use this WP login design one or you can use this pop-up one. So right now we have to disable this pop-up option there. Then only we can find the styling option there. Let's log out and try to log in there. So this is the login form which we have designed. This is the last password option we designed, and this is the registration form which we designed. Like all the fields are there, the background image and the text are there. Let's log back into the site again. So we have seen all the options for site entity and the basic branding. Let's move ahead to the next option, which is the typography option, where you set up the site title, typography, and the heading, menus, and the body. Next up is the site top bar. You can also have a top bar for public messages there and have some social media links there. Next up is the site header option. This header design option, there are multiple header layout we have there and multiple effect are there. You can choose any of the styling there and your header will look like that. And icon plus text only icon, login restriction, you want the icon only or only one icon and text both. So all these buttons are also there. Which icon you want to show in the header, you can control from here. Next with the side panel. Side panel is the side menu in which you can have some of the different menus which members can see. Like side panel toggle option is there, logout mode, mobile view mode, everything is there. Just publish it and you will see a new menu option will be there. For that we have to select a menu to show in the sidebar. So let's move ahead to the menu option first, just to showcase the last option there. Let's go to the menu. This was the primary menu, or you can select create more menu and then select. But right now we are going to select this primary menu to the sidebar menu for login and logout users. And now you will see the sidebar menu there, which we have set up there. So these are the fields, and this the toggle option is there for the side menu. And all the icons you see there under the menus, you can control them. So for changing these like chain icons to icon specific to your need, what you have to do is go to the appearance menus, and under the field you will find the option to select the icon. So that's how you change any icon in the sidebar and the top menu item. You can see this one is changed. Similarly, you can change all the other options also. So next up, move to site header option. I think site header we have already covered with all the links and options. Subheader option. This is for any page in which you need a subheader option, and you can select how you can have a background image, what text you can be there, and text means the page name be there and have a image there. Let me show you, like this blog page is a default website page. Now we have made, so this is a subheader part there which have the breadcrumb there. Instead of white, let's make it red, and this subheader will turn into red. So next option is the site skin. This is the major change in our styling option for branding. There are enable dark mode toggle. First of all, mode toggle I talked about during the logo option. Under the logo you need to upload a dark mode logo also, and there are multiple skins which you can choose from or set up your custom color. So make your dark skin color combination there, your light skin color combination there, so that when you switch you find everything as per your need. Each and every component can be managed there. So that's a very detailed branding option is there. Next up is the side blog option. This is a standard like for any website or WordPress theme. You can see the blog options are there, like how the blog archive will look like, how the single blog post can be look like. There are 4 different options there, whether you want to show the social media link icon or not, or you want to show the single blog progress bar. Like right now it's enabled, you can see the progress bar option there, which moving ahead you will find this uh, minute red. So that's the progress bar there, and there's a sidebar options. Like there are multiple types of pages on the website. So for default, for single post option, for activity page, for member directory page, for group directory page, one layout you want to be there. WP login we have already covered, like how you can have these login pages design. So in the next video we are going to cover the community part, how the community pages you can customize, and some of the more options in the customizations are left. We are going to discuss on that. So bye for now.